Bulk email sender tutorial, Mailchimp bulk email sender. So hi guys, welcome back to our YouTube channel, and in this video I will be teaching you how to send bulk emails through Mailchimp. So with no further ado, let's get started. So what you want to do is to go to mailchimp.com. So Mailchimp's branding is very approachable. Mailchimp is an all-in-one marketing platform that helps you manage and talk to your clients, customers, and other parties who are interested to your business or to your services that you actually give. And their approach to marketing focuses on a very healthy contact management that is beautifully designed campaigns and a very powerful data analysis. MailChimp is a product that anyone from the marketing veterans down to the newbies can use. It's that how easy you could use MailChimp. So MailChimp makes it super easy to get started with email design, especially if you're completely new to the platform. Now, let's get back into this. As you can see, I've already opened the Mailchimp.com. So you could actually sign up for free. And all you have to do is to input your email address, your store name, and so on and so forth. So all you have to do is to input all the information that they ask you. And as you can see, check your email. And if you go to your email, you need to activate your account. And if you're done activating your account, and this is how it will look like. You will see here your audience, your campaigns, your automations, your website, content studio, integrations, and many more. And so now let's get back to this. Let's click on audience. Now, if you click on audience, you will see these subgroups. So you may want to go to this all contacts. Now, if you click here in all your contacts, you will see this. For you, you do not have this one. So you may want to go to add to contacts. Then you could actually import your contacts if you have. So let's say you have a website and there are websites, you've created a website that asks for the email address of the customers. Let's say you have a txt file for their emails, or you could import from another device, or basically if you have a list for the email address, you could just directly copy and paste it, and then you could add your contacts. But if you don't have any imported contacts, then that is all good. You could click on add a subscriber, and what you have to do is to type in the email address, the first name, last name, and basically fill this up. So once you've subscribed, then here you will see this. I have added contacts, and this is basically just me. And here, if you click on this, if you click check marks, there are actions here. So you could either unsubscribe them or resubscribe, or click on add them to VIP or archive, depending on your actions. Now, since we've added a contact to our MailChimp, what you want to do is to go to your campaigns. And here, basically, your campaigns are the information or the emails that you have sent to your customers. The next thing here is, let's say, I'm going to teach you how to create and send bulk emails. You may from scratch. So you may want to go to create, and if you click on this, you will see regular email or an embedded form. So here you will see two. So these are the three recipients. But if you want, for example, you have let's say you have the new subscribers, you have the VIP subscribers, then you could edit the recipients. So as you can see here, the audience, choose an audience. Let's just say let's choose the contacts here. Actually, here in segment or tag, so all subscribers in you could choose the tag. For example, this email is a VIP, or this email is a new member, or this user is just a member. Then you could segment them. Let's tag them as a member or either VIP. But let's just say let's tag them as all subscribers in audience. And then what's nice about this is you could actually personalize the to send. So as you can see here, add merge tags to display the recipient's name to make it more personal and as if you are sending them personally the letter. So if you click on that, you could see here your merge tag. And first you could send this, for example, it will look like this to, and then their first name, or you want it to their last name, or you could send it by to and then first name and last name of the recipient. So let's just say their first name and then click save. And the next thing is we are going to input where is it from. So of course it's for me. So what we want to do is to put my name or my email address, and basically either you want to put the name of your store so they will know that KHH store has sent me an email and maybe they have new products to offer, and that will remind them or encourage them to visit your website. So next is you create or add subject. So what is the subject for this campaign? Let's say the subject would be sale, and you may want to add a preview text for that. And then you could add an emoji for that. Let's say this heart. And then you click on save. If you will send the emails, it will look like this. The subject would be sale. So the next thing that we are going to do is to add a content on our email. Let's say let's design email. And here you could select a layout, a template, and let's say I haven't saved any. And here you could edit this one. Let's say 60% off. We're just not gonna go into this editing and just click on continue. Now that we have already given our content, we could actually share our campaign through our link, and we could add it to the Facebook or connect it to our Facebook. If you have a Facebook for your shop, you can connect it to your Twitter, Instagram, and many more. And then if you want to go somewhere and you still can't finish this at the moment, you could actually save this as a draft by clicking finish later. You could also schedule its time or date. All you have to do is to just input it here. It will be sent to what time you've set it. But let's say I want to send it right away, then you're about to send a campaign to KHH3 subscriber, then click on send now, and basically you have sent your campaign to their email. Now, basically, that is how you create or send a bulk emails. For more experience or better experience on Mailchimp, you could actually buy their platform. They have essential, standard, and premium. And if you avail the standard for $17 per month, you can avail this and so on and so forth. That is how you send bulk emails using Mailchimp. So that is all for today. So I hope this was useful, and please leave a comment below if there is anything else you'd want to contribute, and I'll see you in our next video.